Are you worried about your immunity? Let's see how by taking care of these 5 factors, you can keep your immunity on higher note. The factor 1 is your sleep. In Ayurveda, it says Nidra tu Budhatri, means sleep. You are the nourishing mother for all the living organisms who are living on this planet. Sleep nourish our system. Sleep nourish our whole body and mind. So it's really very important factor. This is essential for all of us. Good sleep always keep your health on higher note. It always give you immunity. It always boost up your immunity. Never deprive yourself from sleep, because sleep deprivation really give very bad effect to your heart, to your liver, and all the vital organisms. Thus end up with so many health issues. So always have a good sleep, adequate sleep. That doesn't mean you are sleeping in the daytime also for a long hours. So in day sleep is not allowed in according to Ayurveda. You should not sleep in the daytime for long hours. Small nap is okay. Next factor is your state of mind. Pleasant and right state of mind is always give added benefit to your health and boost up your immunity. We all have experienced it, right? Low emotions, negative emotions, stressful state of mind really give downfall to our health, and it really it makes us so much prone for many infections, whether it's a viral infection or bacterial infection. So we should always have a right state of mind. If something is wrong, if some negative emotions is affecting you and you are bothering about it, just work out it for immediately, because you need to have a pleasant state of mind for a good health and good immunity. The factor 3 is our food. We all know we should eat well, we should eat healthy. But here I want to add, always eat seasonal food. Always eat super local food. Super local food is new trend now. So it was always beneficial to have a local food, have a locally grown food. Go for that. Try to be more, go for vegetarian food and freshly cooked food. Just drop the idea of packed food or junk food or processed food. They are really bad for your health. So because food plays really great role to keep your immunity on higher note, because that is the really source from where we get all the nourishment, all the vitamins and minerals. Okay, so third, fourth factor is our digestion. Good digestion give foundation for a great health. If your digestion is not well, then your nutrients from your food is not going to get absorbed well, and you're not going to get benefit from that. Okay, so right digestion, good digestion give a foundation, give a base for your all over health. It really boosts up your immunity. It really gives so much healing effect also. If you have any health issues, good digestion always heals up your system, and good digestion gives you sense of wellness. It really gives you energy, great energy, and you start feeling vibrant with the great digestion. So always take care of your digestion. The fifth factor is introduce some herbs which is very easily available, which is there in your kitchen also. Introduce on their on conscious level, on mindful level into your routine. You can take them in a powder form also, and you can use their panya, we say in Ayurveda. You can introduce, you can just boil those herbs with water and have those. These herbs are, I'm going to put some name here. There are many which is easily available. Like you can introduce tulsi, you can introduce black pepper, you can introduce cinnamon, you can introduce pepperlonga, that is pipali. You can introduce amla. Amla is really very easily available, very good herb for immunity. Introduce guduchi, a super herb, we say amrita. It's like a nectar for all the human beings. Don't forget to introduce guduchi into your diet. It's really immunomodulator. It's really work on your immunity. You can have a fresh one also. If it is not available, you can have in powder form or a tablet form also. Okay, you can introduce ashwagandha also. That is also really very good for immunity boosting. It is nervine tonic, and it really calm down your whole the system and gives really very good healing effect. So these are some herbs which is very easily available, and you just make a habit to introduce these herbs into your routine. So what will happen? It will really add on your health. It really give a great foundation for your health, and you'll start noticing results with the time. Okay, so these are the five factors which really gives very good base for your immunity. And all the factors are very important. Okay, if you have a good digestion and you don't have a good sleep, that's not going to work. If you have good sleep and not good digestion or a bad food, that's not going to work. So these five factors are really interrelated to each other. You cannot afford missing even the one. So take care of all these five factors. Enjoy your great health. Have a super immunity. Take care. Bye bye.